Before you guys view our video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel. If you forgot to wear sunscreen on a long sunny day outside, you likely have tan lines on your arms, face, and neck. These tan lines are undesirable and are notorious for lingering over the remainder of the summer, so it will be difficult to put on certain items of clothing that reveal those odd lines. Although it may take 1 to 2 weeks to remove them, it is possible to restore even skin tone, so you can say goodbye to those unsightly divisions. Number 1. Exfoliate your skin every day to make the tan fade. Exfoliation is the process of removing the first layer of dead skin cells that will help you get rid of these strange tan lines more quickly. When dead skin cells are removed, your tan will begin to lighten, and you will regain your original skin tone. You may have to go through several exfoliation treatments before you notice any difference, so be patient. Number 2. Choose an exfoliation method. This process is simple and even good for your skin. There are several different methods you can choose from, so it just depends on how abrasive you want your peel to be. Using a loofah sponge or a washcloth with cleansing cream are two excellent ways to start. The cream cleanser wipe method is best for sensitive skin, but will take longer to work. To apply, lather your cloth with the cleanser and gently rub the skin in circular motions for 3 to 5 minutes. Do it once a day in the shower or bath. Number 3. Soak in a milk bath to speed up the removal of dead cells. Soaking in a bath that has whole milk serves as a natural exfoliation method as it softens the upper layers of the skin and restores moisture to its cells. After your skin softens, it will be easier for dead cells to shed. Stay in the whole milk and water for 5 to 7 minutes. The dead cells are already damaged and about to come out, so soaking in the bathtub will give them an extra boost. Number 4. Use lemon juice and sugar to get rid of dead cells. The acid in lemon may help to separate nearly dead skin cells, while the texture of the sugar will serve as an exfoliator. Just cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice over some sugar. Apply the mixture to a cloth or the tips of your fingers and rub it against the skin in a circular motion. Avoid the sun for at least an hour after doing so, or you'll end up with a darker tan. Number 5. Avoid tan lines with sunscreen. The best way to protect your skin and stop the appearance of these undesirable lines when you are in the sun is to put on a sunscreen of SPF 30 or higher. Even after you see the effects of the sun on your skin, keep applying it so the lines don't get even darker. The sunscreen takes 30 minutes to absorb into your skin and begin to protect you from the sun's UV rays. If you know you're going to be out in the sun all day, apply sunscreen continuously to exposed skin every hour to prevent tan lines from appearing. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video.